Let's go!
The bench dogs that come with the Craig Mobile Project Center are great for helping you clamp pieces in place against the table. But did you know they're good for a lot more? Thanks to these soft rubber inserts that we call bench brakes. With the inserts in the dogs and the dogs in the table, you can place a piece right on top of them and it'll stay in place without moving around. That's really handy at times like when you're sanding or maybe routing an edge profile, and even when you're staining or finishing, because you can get to the edges as they're held up off the table surface.
If you've ever tried to install fronts on cabinet drawers, you know it can be hard to get everything lined up and keep it there while you drive mounting screws. You could try double-sided tape, but adjustments can be hard to make. Or you could tack it in place with brad nails through the drawer front, but that leaves you with nail holes marring your finished surface. Rockler's drawer front installation clamps provide a better solution. These steel clamps attach to the drawer box and hold the drawer front securely in place, leaving your hands free to fine-tune positioning and drive mounting screws. Threaded rods with easy-to-grip knobs on one end and nylon-capped pads on the other provide strong clamping pressure without damaging the drawer front or box. Knob-topped bolts with nylon tips allow precise side-to-side adjustments, and they incorporate a nut that lets you lock in the position for quick, accurate repeatability on additional drawers. The clamps even let you push the drawer box back into the cabinet with the drawer front clamped so you can verify the alignment. So, if you want faster, easier, and more accurate installations, get Rockler's drawer front installation clamps.
Angular bevel gauge helps measuring the wall angle and determines the cutting angle. Automatic display of the cutting angle for the exact setting of all miter box saws and matching angle cut. Makes transferring the cutting angle easier. Integrated angle stop for setting angles in an easy way. Magnet for adjusting the saw in an easy and safe way. Scale for minor measuring jobs.
Need an extra set of hands in the shop? Armor's Butcher Block Dog Table is a workstation that will leave your old work surface collecting dust. With its innovative auto-adjust one-hand clamping technology, customizable table settings, and high-quality construction, you can tackle any project that comes your way. The work surface is a solid maple butcher block, equipped with a grid of peg holes designed to fit the Armor dog clamps. These vertical and horizontal clamps allow you to create an unlimited number of clamping angles and combinations. Customize your ideal workbench to fit whatever project you're working on. The solid platform won't bore, bend, or wear out like many plastic and MDF bench tops, and will offer consistent pressure from the
Introducing the Milwaukee M18 cordless 6.5-inch circular saw. This versatile tool features a powerful 3,500 RPM motor that cuts through a wide variety of tough materials. The M18 XC high-capacity red lithium battery provides up to 20% more runtime, and rugged magnesium upper and lower guards protect the blade from impacts and deliver maximum durability. The M18 cordless circular saw features an easy-to-read, lightweight, aircraft aluminum shoe for accurate cuts. It offers a compact, lightweight design with a soft grip handle for portability and user comfort. This tool is compatible with the Red Lithium Compact or XC high-capacity battery for increased productivity. And a battery fuel gauge monitors charge. For lightweight power with rugged durability, choose the Milwaukee M18 6.5-inch cordless circular saw, powered by Red Lithium.
of the problems I was having when I was doing my dowel plate testing is I'd try to hit maple dowels and it would go right through the vise. So I added a shoulder, which is basically a little piece of metal on each side, which now rests on top of the vise. And now no matter how hard you hit the dowel, it's not going to slip.